Hi friends, good evening. Today 11th February 2022 and 7 p.m. today. I hope you have seen a good trend change today because everybody thought, the Nifty closed above 17,576 and Bank Nifty also was doing good on Thursday. But today, it was a big trend change day, and the entire credit goes to my guru who predicted this much before. And we saw roughly around 250 points correction in Nifty and roughly around 500 points correction in Bank Nifty. Okay, so now last week numbers was given phenomenal return. So now we will see what is going to be for next week. Okay. Right. This is weekly observation for 14th to 18th February. First of all, I've already mentioned the entire credit goes to gurus on market. Now, mark today's high and low. Mark today's high and low. If it breaks today's low, then you will see minimum 200 points correction in Nifty, minimum 750 points, 1000 points in Bank Nifty. And if it crosses above today's high, any day, okay, the same you will see minimum 250 points on the upside and 750 to 1000 points on the on Bank Nifty on the upside. Okay. The one observation is both the indices closed below 4th February low, which is not a good sign. Okay. So if you go here, I have clearly marked because 3rd and 4th are the very important day. So the high I have taken is 3rd high and the low I have taken is 4th low, and even for Bank Nifty. Okay. And I marked today's high and low also. So any close below today's low, which is 17,343, it is not good. And above 17,455, it is good. And if you see, the difference is only 150 points in Nifty, and it is roughly around 400 points in Bank Nifty. Okay, 350 to 400 points in Bank Nifty. So use this level to initiate the trade on the long side or on the short side for next week. Let the global market do anything tonight. We don't need to worry about all that. Simply observe these numbers. That is more than enough to be successful for next week. Okay. Then Nifty future closed below the spot. So you need to be very, very cautious on Nifty. Again saying, if you want to trade long in Bank Nifty. And today, again, Bank Nifty numbers is converged. Only Bank Nifty. See, 2 days before, Nifty and Bank Nifty both converged, and we saw a big gap up, and then it was a good return, gave good move on the upside. But today only Bank Nifty futures numbers are converged. So below 38,483 it is bearish, and above 38,612 is bullish. So mark these two numbers in your Bank Nifty futures, then trade accordingly based on the price action or whatever technical tool you use it to the maximum, so that, and trial your stop loss in case if you are above 38, if you are initiated long above 38,612, then use your technical indicators parameters to trial the stop loss and encash the profit. Okay, stop loss is must, so use the stop loss based on your own technical indicators. Okay, so now coming to Bank Nifty, this is for the day I have given, and for Nifty spot I have given. So sorry, this is 38,562. Okay, and these are the targets. Okay, so I think I just copied from the weekly presentation. Okay, so if you go to weekly, I'll be giving the weekly full numbers here. And if you go to Bank Nifty, I'll be giving the full Bank Nifty numbers here. This is spot and this is future. Okay, and coming to Bank Nifty future, these two numbers are very, very critical: 17,418 and 17,375. Below 375, it is bearish only. We can take a long only above 17,418 on 15 minutes closing basis, and this number has to hold. If this number doesn't hold for the next weeks, you need to be very, very cautious on Nifty futures. Okay, this is one number magic. Even last time from here, it gave roughly around 400 points. And coming to Bank Nifty, okay, so this weekly number is bullish and daily number is bearish. So simply buy about 38,612. It is not 599 here. 599 is some other number. So you need to go long only about 38,612. Okay. Then you initiate the long. Below this number, it is bearish for the week. For the whole week, it is bearish if it trades below this number. Okay. After this, initiating the sell call, then use your technical indicators to ride the trend with your trailing stop loss. Even for Bank Nifty, even for Nifty, below this number, if you initiate the short, simply use your technical indicator to take the profit with a trailing stop loss. Now this number has to hold for this week, and coming to Bank Nifty, this number has to hold. These two numbers never change for the entire month of February, and you can use it whenever the price comes to near to this range. You can use it for the whole month. And weekly pivot I've already given here. Okay, 38,562, and for Nifty it is 17,424. Okay, so these are the TCD counters last week, which I've already given before itself. So use the positional thumb rule for these stocks. Sale, today it is only 2 rupees difference from the high and low. So go short simply below today's low with a stop loss of today's high, or go long about today's high with a stop loss of today's low. Stop loss is only 2 rupees. You can use it to the maximum. Okay, and Nifty future numbers I've already given here. Bank Nifty futures numbers I've already given here. Whatever I said there, I've mentioned here also. So kindly use it, and watch out for Bank Nifty on the long side. Watch out for Bank Nifty on the long side. Okay, so carry over position only above 17,576. If it close, suppose let's say you are initiating a long for based on tomorrow's number, let's say 17,418 you went long. Okay, if it closes above, 17,424, if it closes above 17,576, then take the position home. Otherwise, please keep it as an intraday and then close the position, and you can come and trade next day. I'll give the numbers for the next day also. So positional long only above these two numbers, which is the 17,596 on Nifty, 576 on Nifty, and 38,809 on Bank Nifty. And these numbers, it won't change. I will not change every day these numbers. These numbers will be there, and these numbers will be kept in my graph for my trading purpose, and it will respect. Even today, once it broke this low, it exactly came took the support at 38,416 here only, and the Venus low was 38,400, and from there it all the way went above, but unable to close above 38,809. It went all the way to 38,789, and from there again it came down, and exactly it came and touched 38,416. So this number won't change. I can keep this number for next 2 years and trade. Mark these in your system and then use it to the maximum. Okay, so exactly touched there and closed above, right? And coming to Nifty, it closed below 17,351, and this one I already covered 2 days before when it was trading here. I clearly said, based on Ichimoku, this candle will decide everything. It went all the way above today's high, but it broke Ichimoku cloud when the cloud width is very, very minimal. This is how the market used the opportunity to break the cloud. And today, after that, it closed below the cloud only, and the average closing was something else. But anyway, according to me, it closed below the cloud. Okay, so again tomorrow, that is from Monday, below 17,340 itself is bearish, and today's low is 17,303. So once it closed below 17,303 and trades for 15 minutes, you can initiate the short position with your existing trailing, whatever stop loss you use, you can use it. Okay, so you can keep this as a benchmark for next week, and then use it. So I'll always mark these things in my trading trading thing. So this is 11th Feb low, right? So this is what it is. Bank Nifty is looking okay, and because there is one cloud support at 38,400 also. Let's see how it opens tomorrow, but looking weak only. So I've already given the number for the bullish as well as for the bearish number. Watch it. In between, there is no trade. If let's say Nifty is Bank Nifty is trading within 38,562 to 38,400, don't initiate any position. And if Nifty is trading within 17,351 to 17,424, don't initiate any buy there. There is no bottom fishing here. So you need to wait patiently for the number to come, and it has to sustain that number at least for 15 minutes. Then you can initiate the trade with the stop loss. Okay. So now coming to Nifty Metals. The first important day is today, and it was a clear doji star. But it is trading well above 14th high, which is 5902, till it holds 14th low, which is what is 14th low? Just a minute. Yeah, 5829. You don't need to worry about Nifty Metals. And again, 14th is the big day. So we will, once 14th is over, we will take the high and low of 11th as well as 14th. Whenever it breaches these 2 days high, we will simply buy with the stop loss of these 2 days low. And in case if it trades within this number for tomorrow, then it's a jackpot, and it will be a inside bar pattern, and that too it happens on a trend change date. So it'll be very good to watch. Let's see how it pans out on Monday on Nifty Metals. So concentrate on Nifty Metals, and the TCD counters I've already mentioned here. Next week, just a minute. Okay, so all blue color TCDs, very important. And 12th Jan means it is 14th Jan, because 12th Jan is holiday, so we need to take the next day. Okay, so 12th Jan high and low is there. You can also take today's high and low also, but I will always take the next day. So you can choose whichever day you want to use, but I always take the next day. So till even SBI is having date, Star, NTPC, Tata Chemical, Star, Tech Mahindra, and these are my big guys which I'm going to watch out on 14th February. Okay, so watch these counters. Whichever counters are favorable, your favorites, and then use it. The same logic which I already explained, how to trade the trend change date, and I think 2 days before I've already explained in my morning breakfast video. So use the logic and use it to the maximum. Thanks a lot for watching this video. In case if there is any update, I will let you know, because I'm traveling for next 2 days, so that's why I thought of finishing this video today itself. Again, Sam, I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework before investing in any stock, cryptos, mutual funds, stocks, anything and everything. Consult your financial advisors. Let's hope whether Nifty is going to do well or not. Hope for the best for the next week. Thank you. Bye.